Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. Welcome to my garden. Yurko here, and today is a very special day because we are making our very first salad of the year. I also have here pichai. I don't have the recipe for now, but I'll be showing you how to preserve pichai or any vegetables for the future by freezing it. Organic gardening is romanticized, and there's even a higher tag price to organically grown vegetables. But there's a harsh reality to it. Organic means it's also rich in organic materials. It's grown in the ground, perhaps with animal manure, organic materials, and it has to be cleaned. It has to be washed well. I'm going to wash it 3 times until I see no more traces of ground or dirt. The salads that we buy at the supermarkets that have very pale and clean roots are actually hydroponically grown. They're grown in water. That's why they are clean. This is nature. Vegetables grow in the ground. Returning to the garden for some rucola. Rucola has a strong flavor, but it's really heavily. And we are under our pergola here for some shade. Our very first salad of the year. Lettuce and rucola. I have here a very special instrument for drying the salad. Similar to the washing machine, tumble dry. No, spin dry, sorry. To be frank with you, I don't usually eat salad, mainly lettuce. So this is my very first salad preparation in the garden. Let's add the rucola as well. I remember a colleague from Italy who eats for lunch always rucola, tomato and mozzarella. The fun begins. Maglalaro ang matanda. No. That was fun. I love this. It's a toy. What? I think this is a good way of simulating small kids to eat salad or greens. Ah, look at that. Look, just like her washing machine. And this is the amount of water that was removed or drained from the salad. Imagine if we were to add this in our sauce. We've got lettuce, rucola and tomatoes. I've got 2 tomatoes here. But first, let's transfer the drained greens to this dish. I don't have a salad bowl even. We are at the garden, so we don't have that full assortment of kitchenwares. So we will have to use what we have. And spills here are allowed, of course, because we're in the garden. We can just throw away anything that's dropped from the plate. The ground will love it. It will even thank us for it. We will just have to cut the leaves into smaller bite sizes for some finesse. This are the tomatoes now. I don't have my chopping board here, so irregular random sizes will do. It will make the plate even more appealing. Yes, it has to be as rustic as possible. We are at the garden, rural life at its best. We'll have to add onions as well, minimum. We don't want to overpower the taste of our salad. To be frank with you, even as I add it now, I still have aftertaste of the onions. This is a very basic salad. I even forgot to tell you what are we going to use. Of course, salad is always oil and acid. So for the oil, olive oil, and aceto balsamico for the acid. And Manang Grace is coming here, and she has something more luxurious. This is cream, balsamic cream. Instead of fluid, it's mousse
Cream.
cream. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah. Just a little
Yeah.
amount, and then you put something.
Okay, and of course salt and pepper. Very basic in all recipes. Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Okay, 2:1, the proportion. This amount, I think, would require 3 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, that was 3. I have salt, Manang. And which do you prefer? This one? Okay,
Yes.
let's use the balsamic mousse or balsamic
That
cream.
is salt and pepper.
This is just vinegar in cream form. Anything sour can take the place of vinegar. Raw mango, even. Kamyas. We have to close this before it tips over. Oh. Even the table is not stable. Yikes. Today, Locanos, this translates to bagoong and suka or calamansi. Try adding oil, salt and pepper, okay, freshly ground. We stir, and that would be it. Salad, fresh from the garden, just a few meters from where they grow. Our very first salad of the year here at Channel 1, fresh from the garden. I grow it, I prepare it, and sharing it to you. Don't forget to come back for more of our cooking here at the garden and at home or elsewhere. Kahit saan man tayo makarating. If you enjoyed what you just seen, don't forget to share and subscribe. Ibida natin ang ating pagkain sa buong mundo. This time, pagkain fresco. Pagkain. Pagkain nga ba to? Oo, salad. Hindi ulam, salad. But this is certainly healthy. Diyos tagati. Poor in finesse but rich in flavor. Our salad. It was really good. I couldn't keep my salt, but to return to the preparation and eat more as I wait for lunch. Huli ka. Gawa na rin and enjoy the freshness